Now let us solve for x and y in this exponential equation. Now first of all, let us reduce this to 3 and reduce 4 to 2. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of x, then minus 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of y equals what? 17. Okay, now let us take note according to the rule of indices that if you have a raised to the power of m all raised to the power of n, we end up having a raised to the power of m n. Okay, all right, and it can also be interchanged, which can also be a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of what? M. So if that's this true, now let us apply it here. We have 3 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2, then minus 2 here y or raised to the power of 2 equals 17. Now to this end, let's make 3 raised to the power of x equals a, and 2 raised to the power of y equals b. So this equation here becomes a squared minus b squared equals 17. And let us take note also that a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of 2 squared, will give us a plus b, and a minus b. Okay, so applying that rule here, we have a plus b then into a minus b then equals to 17. Now this actually implies that the sum of the two terms multiplied by the difference of the two terms will give you what? 17. And it also implies that this term here times this term will give you 17. Then the question we need to ask ourselves is, what will you multiply to give you 17? And the only factor we can have, or we have here, is 17 times 1. That's just the only two factors. So we have a plus b then times a minus b then equals 17 times 1. Now let us take note that this sum will always be greater than the difference, right? And if that is true, then let us equate the sum to 17, which is greater, and the difference to 1, which is smaller. So we can now form an equation here: a plus b equals 17 and a minus b equals 1. Now we end up adding both sides. So here we have 2a equals what? 18. And to this end, we can conclude that our a will give us 9. Okay, if our a will give us 9, plugging in a equals 9 into either of the equation, let's say for equation 1 here we have 9 plus b equals 17. So b will end up becoming 17 minus 9, then b will give us what? 8. Now take note, we are not looking for a and b, we are actually looking for what? X and y. Let us now equate this answer. For this, we have 3x equals a. Our a is what? 9. Now reconciling the two base, so here we have 3 raised to the power of x equals to what? 3 raised to the power of 2. So to this point, x equals to what? 2, because they have the same base. Now the next one is 2 raised to the power of y equals b, and the term for our b is what? Answer rather is 8. Now reduce a to a base of 2, you have 2 raised to the power of y equals 2 raised to the power of what? 3. And that's because 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places will give us 8. So to this point, you can say that y equals what? 3. Okay, so this is the solution to this exponential equation. All right, thank you and God bless you.